Getting on two wheels open up to all other worlds of fun, adventure and possibilities. It changes your relationship with road, with your commute, with your travel. Many riders tell us that their rides move them not just physically, but in much deeper way. Riding a motorcycle brings a sense of calm and ease to your mind and body, which could be achieved otherwise only through meditation. Also, many riders refer to their motorcycle as a therapist, as motorcycles make you feel energized and refreshed after each ride. Motorcyclists pick up riding for different reasons, and we have identified 12 such reasons which definitely would relate to your reason to ride. Can you relate it? Anything that gets your blood racing is probably worth doing. For many bikers, riding a motorcycle is not a hobby or need, it's a passion. All they want in life to travel to every corner of the world on their motorcycle. There is a deep fire in their belly for riding which will make them achieve impossible miles, paths and terrains. Riding a motorcycle gives you a sense of freedom. You are in total control of the moment. You are not just riding, you are flying and there are no set limits to stop you. You will meet some of the nicest people on your rides. When you ride a motorcycle, you always wave to each other even when you don't know each other, which is not something car drivers do. No matter which motorcycle you are riding, nor does it matter for which part of your country it belongs to. There is always the bond of brotherhood that gets motorcycles together. For most of the riders, it's speed and thrill that keep you on their motorcycles. Motorcycles are legal drugs that make you high and take you into the transcendent state of nirvana. Have you ever seen a motorcycle parked outside a psychiatrist clinic? We are pretty sure the answer you will have is no. Because riding a motorcycle takes away all the tension and stress, like you have a reboot your system. Open your map, choose a destination, pack your bags, and there you go. No matter what destination you choose, motorcycles are ready to take you there. A rider's brain is stimulated and become more active while riding a motorcycle. Riding on your motorcycle daily definitely has positive effect on mental and emotional health. All of you would agree to the fact that motorcycles are fun to ride. There is a lot of entertainment filled with it that awaits you to get it out. You can pull those amazing wheelies or stop his bikes just playing with the throttle. Let's face it, bikers are super cool and hot at the same time. Motorcycle between your legs increase your coolness factor by 10 times. Have you ever noticed that motorcycle will always have a gender to their bike? Guys will refer to their machine as a she and lady riders refer to a bike as he.